Hey folks, Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East in Saskatoon. And I just want to show you this 2022 Dodge Charger GT. Check out the hood, check out the rims. And this color is called Smoke Show. So it looks like a light sting gray, kind of that primer color. Ooh, it's nice out today. So I'll give you a good look around, good look at the color here. Sometimes Google Images doesn't show you the right hue on the color here, so you can see as you go from the sun into the shade, half sun, half shade. Take a look. Let's have a look at the interior here. 20-inch black rims, dual exhaust, black badges. Ooh, best taillights in the business.
Smoke show.
Smoke show. Take a look at the interior. Sweet seats.
Is this sold or just getting fixed?
Two sold.
Who sold it? Mark?
And so?
Dash? Oh, I didn't know you were doing a video.
Smoke show.